Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have the iPad, and of course with the iPad, what I'm going to show you how to do today guys is how to connect a flash drive to your iPad. Alright, so of course you can use this to access files, or of course you can use it to go ahead and back up stuff. However, guys, in your iPad, the USB connection, which is the USB section here, there's no official way to connect it directly, as there is a USB type C. Now you'll need a flash drive that can actually double as a USB type C. If not, and your flash drive only has a USB connection, you'll need something like this to actually convert the USB to, of course, a USB type C. This is a dongle. It comes with some phones. This one was from a Samsung phone. They actually sell these online as well. You can actually use these to connect. All right. Now, of course, once you do that, seeing that this one is flexible enough, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to connect it. I'm sure you to access your files on the flash drive. All right, so let's go. So first of all, guys, we're going to use the USB type C port, and we're going to connect the flash drive. Now, if you have never connected a flash drive to one of these, maybe you're not sure what's going to happen. So the flash drive is connected. Now, guys, once you have connected your flash drive, you need to be able to explore. So if you do not have this icon here, that's this blue files folder, what you want to do is to go ahead and you can go all the way over to your right. You're going to type here and you're going to type files. You can launch from there, or of course, as I was showing you earlier, sorry about that, as I was showing you earlier, it's the same files option right here. Go ahead and click. Now once you're in files, it will show you here that you have different areas. You're going to search over here. Under here, you notice you have your cloud drive. Next to your cloud drive here, you have my iPad, and of course we have a deleted or recently deleted folder, and we have no name. If your flash drive actually has a name, it will show up as the given name. So let's click on it. Now, of course, this is the files on the flash drive here. And the fun thing about this, guys, is that you can now access any file that's on your flash drive. So I have a bunch of files here. There's stuff like various folders and files depending on how you set up your flash drive. All right, guys, so once you're here, you can go ahead, if you want to, you can long press on an empty space. You can create a new folder, right? And that new folder will be named, and you can actually place it here. Let me go ahead and create one. And of course, you can see that's asking you to name the folder. The folder is right there. So I'm going to call this backup. All right, so I've named this folder backup. So we're going to click outside of the folder. And of course, just look for backup. It's alphabetical. And here's my backup folder. Let's say, for example, here, you could easily go to any file on your device. That includes regular files or files you want to copy over. And all you got to do is just simply copy the file and paste it over onto that drive. As a quick example of copying a file over to this flash drive, it's very easy, guys. So all I got to do is go to my, for example, here, go to my photos. So we can search for photos. We can open photos. And once we open photos as seen here, what we're going to do is we're going to find a random file. So for example, I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to long press, and it gives you the option here. You could share, you could delete, favorite, or so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit copy. And of course, I've copied the file. I'm going to exit by swiping up. I'm going to click on files again. And right in the backup folder, I'm going to long press. Now, fun thing here, you can see I have the option to paste. And there you go. There we go. So the file is there, and you can actually open it. There you go. That was a drawing I did. So we can go back to files, and let's see if it's still in photos. And there you go. It's still there as it's a copy. All right, so now we know to access this. Do note as well, if you do not have a USB converter, you can also use a dongle as used on your MacBook devices to add ports, so you can actually attach a flash drive. So that's how to attach a flash drive and copy a file over to the flash drive on the iPad. All right, guys, so there's no eject option for the drive itself, but it should be fine. As long as you're not in the process of copying anything or so on, it's very easy. All you gotta do is go ahead and disconnect the drive when finished. And there you go, the drive is now completely. And so that's how to use a flash drive on, or to connect and how to basic tutorial on how to use a drive on your iPad. Hope this was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.